guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -8, B is 8, C is 11 and D is -7. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, word mass and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we will follow same rule. We will go left to right in our expression and find out which operation is coming. If addition is coming first, so we have to solve the addition part. And if subtraction is coming first, so we will solve the subtraction part. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have two brackets. One is this one, another one is this one. So first of all, we will solve first bracket, which is 7 minus 1, which is equals to 1. Minus 11, we will write as it is plus, and 9 minus 5, again we will write as it is, and divided by 2, again we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve the bracket because we have another bracket which is 9 minus 5. So we will solve this one. 1 minus 11 plus 9 minus 5 equals to 4 divided by 2. We will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Now we have solved the bracket. Step number 2 is we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. Now we have to solve this one. So in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step as well. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have the division, or only we have this in this expression is division. So 1 minus 11, we will write as it is plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this becomes 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve the division and multiplication. We have solved. Now we will follow the addition and subtraction. So what we will do, again, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 1 minus 11, which is minus 10 after solving, and plus 2. And here we will give the reference 1 minus 11 equals to minus 10 because we have the minus sign with the larger number. So that's why we will show the minus with the 10. Now move forward. We have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 8. But not 8, it becomes the minus 8. Why? Because we have minus sign with the larger number. That's why it becomes the minus 8. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So this is the solution of this expression. And I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.